Needs, Roger, I was wrong. It's really like in the picture. The maroon is inside. It was just a reflection pala. So this is the Catmon tree. This time I made sure that it can really read in our cell phone. Now, this is the Catmon tree. See the fruits? Like bayabas. So, there you are, the salt paprika. This should be bearing fruits already in the next maybe 20-30 days. But some already have fruits, Roger. Which is also good that they do not fruit all at the same time. I'm bringing a cabbage that they left, and it's growing like your Brussels needs. Oh, now Roger, this is what happened to the road. See? So that soil, it came from the contouring, will be pushed down to level it. Wal, tabangi ko be. Kay di ko kabalanse. Maglisod ko balanse. Yate. Ikaw kay anad man kag
ba?
ha? Di ko kabalanse buang ay.
Permit niya?
Oh,
Tanga na magdana rin sila para pamurin.
asa ko magi? Di ako sa akong luyo be. Gunit ko nimo kay I will off this first needs.
Pero kung jacket sir, singo sir.
Ha?